Hello children, welcome back. Today we are going to do an activity with socks. See, I've got tiny little socks and we are going to make a toy with it. So all get ready and get started. Look at the video very carefully, and parents, you're going to help your children do the activity.
So the things that you need are scissors, and for this, mummies and daddies, you need to help your child. A sock the size of your child's feet would do. A small socks, and colorful the better. A ribbon, a scotch tape, a thread or a twine, whatever you find it easily at home. A bowl of rice, and a small bowl to fill the socks with rice, and a marker or a sketch pen. So I would clear out the space to make this sock bunny for you so that you can start with your children. There is no sewing required, remember parents, so there is no need to worry. First of all, take the scotch tape and put the socks inside it so that it is easy for you to put the rice in it. Open the mouth of the sock and try and press it around the scotch tape. Now you're going to fill the socks, which the children can do it themselves. Fill the sock with rice till the length of the ankle. The mouth of the ankle is filled with rice, you can stop. Okay, so now as you can see, the mouth of the ankle is filled and I have my socks full now. So I'm going to put the rice away. And please parents, do make sure that the sock is washed and clean, of course. No dirty socks. And extra rice can be kept aside. Now take off the sock mouth from the scotch tape. Now what you're going to do is you're going to tie a thread on the top. First you're going to pinch and make a small round face. Make sure that the round below is bigger and on top it's a little small to make the face. Now you're going to pinch the top and tie a thread. Tie it tightly so that it stays and doesn't open up, because when your child is going to play with it, it can open up and all the rice can come out. So now cut the excess thread with the scissors and you can put them behind. Now you have the face here and the body here. Below, at the back, you can pinch a little and you can also make a tail like that. Alright? So first what we are going to do is, first we are going to pinch in between and make the mouth. Tie the thread nicely and tightly. Don't worry, it's not going to fall down. So tie it nicely so that it doesn't open up. And you're done. Cut the excess thread with the scissors. And here you have the bunny. Now behind you can pinch and make the tail. That is if you want it. Now, for the ears, you're going to take the scissors and snip them in between. So I have made one for you, so let me show it to you. So this is how you're going to tie the threads, and arrange them so that they're equally divided. Now first of all, before cutting, we are going to make a nose and 2 eyes. So we're going to take the sketch pen or a marker. We're going to make eyes, round and round, and a cross in between for the nose. In this, I've already made one, so you can see eyes and a nose. Now, take the ribbon that you had decided and you can put the ribbon in between and make the rabbit look more pretty. And tie it and make it into a beautiful bow for the children. It's going to be a cute little rabbit. Let's tie it into a pretty bow. And there you go. You can cut the excess thread if you want. I'm sorry, this thread is coming from place. Now we're going to snip the extra sock into half. So I'm going to cut it for you. After cutting it into half, we're going to make it into a slight curve so that they both look like ears. After cutting from in between, we cut it in a pointed curve shape so that it gives you an ear. And mine has a little flippity floppity ear because I had a smaller socks. But if you have a big socks like this, then the ears will nicely fall down. So here we have a cute little pretty little bunny. Alright children, so hope you enjoyed the activity. Bye bye.